Nĩ igongona rĩa mwanya rĩtabanirio taũni-inĩ ya Maralal, kaunti-inĩ ya Samburu, rĩa kũrugũria mũbango wa kũgacĩrithia mĩrĩre mĩega kũrĩ aikari.
We are launching our county nutrition action plan for the year 2019-2023. This has been a success day and a very historical day for us.
Ũgwati wa kwaga mĩrĩre mĩagĩrĩru ũkoretwo kũrĩire aikari a Samburu maitho, no thirikari ya kaunti ĩno nĩ ikinyũkĩtie makinya ma kũng'ethanĩra na ũgwati ũyũ.
Malnutrition has been quite high in Samburu County, and so this calls for concerted effort from a number of partners and the county government particularly to work together with the rest of partners to ensure that malnutrition is checked and put and the figures are brought down.
Mamwe ma marĩa kaunti ĩno thugundĩte nĩguo kũhukia thĩna ũyũ nĩ gũtigĩrĩra aikari nĩ mamũkĩra ũtaaro wa mĩrĩre mĩega, nĩ makinyĩrio motungata ma ũgima mwega wa mwĩrĩ na makaheo mbegũ iria njagĩrĩru na hĩtũkia cia kũmahe magetha mega.
The county government has also invested so much on the ECD program, which is really been currently we have about 43,000 children in our ECDs who are also getting food supplements in their schools. We've also been doing deworming in those various ECD centers. We've also been able to invest in certified seeds.
And then to ensure that health services reach where it is needed at the right time, such that because part of malnutrition also comes as a result of lack of health services like immunizations, vitamin A supplementation.
Since devolution, which has also been a blessing, that we've been able to reduce the stunting rates from 35% to current 29.3%.
Mĩrĩre mĩega nĩ kĩhoto kĩa mwana wothe gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Winnie Kimani.